What are you doing, Jack? You making some breakfast? Careful. Where are you going? What else do you need? You need Mommy to help you? What do you need, a spoon? You want a spoon? Here, no, we don't need the wine opener. Here. Here, Bubba. You have this spoon. Okay. Alright. Good job. You stir. Oh, what are you making, honey? You making soup? That, what do you need up there? How about we, here, you want to put some, here, put some soup in, okay? There you go. There you go.